Hey, what's up everyone? My name is D and I represent New Touch Auto. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove the chrome trim from your Dodge Ram 2019 through 2022 model. Now this here is an easy job, but if you want to know how to do so, stay tuned. Welcome back. Now as mentioned, this here is a pretty simple job to do. To remove this model, you can't just pull it out from the outside. Now this here does separate from the trims from this entire side mirror. But what you'll have to do is go through a process. Now the process we're gonna go through, we're gonna show you the tools we're gonna use, and we're gonna show you how to do the process. First off, we're gonna go to the back side. So we're gonna remove this mirror first, and we're gonna use a flathead screwdriver to pry it out from the top. And we're gonna pull from this corner and side area slowly and carefully. Now once you've pried that apart, you wanna go ahead and remove it, but you wanna take out your electrical. I'll remove that one first, then we're gonna remove these two here. And for this mirror, the passenger side is different. It does not have this insert. So driver's side, you will remove that also. Now that we have the mirror removed, we'll remove this screw right here, which is a T15. Once we remove that, we'll focus on these 4 clips that are here, 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 and inside here. We'll use this plastic trim tool, or as mentioned, you can use a flathead screwdriver. So with this process, removing these clips here, you want to take your time and do it slowly. You don't want to break the clips or crack the clips because you're going to need them to reinsert. Now that the 4 clips are detached, I can work my mirror trim out with the plastic tool remover. On the inside of this panel, here are your 4 clips here. Then you have your T15 screw here. And then you have these that'll snap into the sides. Once you're done with it, you can snap it right back on. Now that concludes the end of the video. For those who have subscribed, I thank you, I appreciate it. And for those who haven't, please feel free to do so and hit that subscribe button down below. Now this video here, we're gonna pretty much paint the chrome trim gloss black. That is our purpose for removing this trim. But for you, if you want to replace yours, you can do so. And this process will work. Catch y'all on the next video.